Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shraddha. Today I will talk about the upload files. I will show you how to upload the single file in a playwright or how to upload the multiple files in a playwright and how we can remove the single and multiple files. So let's get started this series, and before proceed further I will explain you definition of the upload files in a playwright. In playwright, files upload refers to the process. It's a programmatically stimulation a user can action of selecting and uploading one or more files through the HTML. So HTML tag like input type is equal to file or element in a web application. Unlike sometimes we are manually upload the files, but today we will do through the automation. So unlike the manual interaction where the user click file picker dialogues, or in playwright directly we will set the files to input element using the code through this allow the we can automate it and perform the or upload the file. So I would say the core concept in playwright, it's provide the methods. So few methods we will follow and which can help through we will upload the file. So there is one method called set input files, which we can use on a page object or locator through. This method set the value of the file input element to specific files or list of files from your local system. Suppose if you have file in your download folder or user folder or C drive, so how you can upload the files. So I have already written few scripts that I will explain you today in this series. Before proceed further, I will show you which application I'm going to automate today, or I will upload the files. So this is the application I want to use it, or just Control C and let me close this, minimize and open it, and here I will use the Google, this one, not the browser, and open it. So this application we want to navigate today, and you can see here upload files. So here you're able to see that upload single file and upload multiple files. So first I will talk about the upload single file. There is few file in my download folder. I will show you. This is my download folder and there is few files I will select for single, and few files I will select for the multiple files. So let me go in the Visual Studio and show you how to use it. So I have already written some scripts here. Let me explain you one by one. So for a single file upload, what we can do, we will use these script. So I have already explained few things in my previous video. If you haven't watched my previous video, please go ahead and watch it. How to import the package, how to write the test, how to validate the test. So these all are concepts you will able to understand in my previous video. If you are new on my channel, please go ahead and watch it, my previous video. That will definitely helpful for you. So let me explain you. Here I'm just importing the package, which is playwright test, and we can see here playwright test. Let me show you where is that package. this is the this. So you can see here playwright test. So in this package there is modules and other packages inside in this playwright test. So here I have already imported the package, and this is the test and expect method. So we will write the test block and expect for the validation purpose our test, and it is always be const. And here we will start line number 3, test. So test, and this is the single file upload. It's a module name. You can give any module name as per your choice, but I will suggest you give the meaningful module name, so it will definitely helpful for you to memorize like what is your module name. So I have already given here the single file upload because I'm going to show you how to upload the single file in a playwright. This is a keyword of async page fixture. With the help of page fixture we will able to access the other modules and function, and this one is a page.goto. So this application I want to navigate. So here I have already provided the URL of the application which I showed you. This application test automation practice.blogspot.com. This is the application I'm going to test today, and this condition I'm using it. Wait until sometime document is not loading, like the application is not load, so you can use the wait until document loaded. So, and after that, here I'm just describe everything. You will able to see wait until the input is actually visible and attached. So here page dot wait for selector, this function I'm going to use. First we will use here the page dot locator. And what is the locator of the single file input? Let me show you. This is a single let me show you. And inspect, you can go and see there. So ID is equal to single file input. This is a locator of this single file element. If we will click here, it will automatically go and just start to showing some pop-up to select or the file. So, and no file chosen, here is no file, so we will inspect this locator. Let me show you one more time, and you can see here ID single file input. If you want to see that this locator is unique or not, so Control F and Control F, and where is that? Let me again select this one. Not this. Select this. Control C, Control F, and we will use the CSS. So hash means to ID and give the element, and you can see here 1 of 1. This is a unique element on this. This is a unique locator of this element. So first we will write here the page dot locator and provide the locator here and which file we want to use it. So suppose I'm just want to show you dot set input file. Which file you want to set here, you give the locator of the file. I have already given here the locator of my file, and after that this file should be visible. So here we will provide the other function which is page dot wait for selector, and which locator it will show, or which element, it should show. Suppose if the element is not visible on the web page, how you can select the file? So first we will specify the element should be visible. So that's why here we will provide the visible, state visible, timeout. Once it will visible, and then it should be timeout for this one. We will use the timeout. And here we have already provide the locator of the file, and after that this file should be visible or timeout for 5000 millisecond. Let me close this one first. Control Alt A. So you will comment these other line of code. So we want to execute these line of code. So first we will select and save it, and now terminal and provide the command in the terminal and enter. It's running one, and you can see here. I will quickly show the file. See, oh, it was very fast. Let me one more time, I will show you. And you can see this playwright message PDF file, because playwright message PDF file, we have given the location of this, not locator, location of this file. So it's already uploaded. So this is the, you can select the single file through the playwright. So let me comment these and open this multiple files. How we can upload the multiple files. Suppose if you have one file, a single file you can upload. If you have more than one file, like 2 files, you can use it. I mean, you can upload the multiple file in the playwright. How you can upload? Very simple, I would say. Let me. So here everything you will write like a single file. Only suppose see here I have given the, or I have already imported the package. Write the test block. In test block you will provide the module. This is a module name, this is asynchronous keyword, page fixture, and after that provide the locator, location of the application where we want to navigate. So page dot go to, and this is the application URL where we want to navigate or open in the browser. And after that we will find the locator of the file. How we can find the locator of the file? So let me show you the locator of this. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is the multiple files. We can upload the multiple files here. So first we will find the locator of this element. So let me click on, right click and select the inspect, and here you can see it is highlighting here ID multiple files input. So let me check this is a unique locator of this element or not. Just copy, Control C and Control F. This is a search bar. You can use Control F if you're using the Windows. So, and we are using the CSS. So hash is like for ID, and this locator we have to paste it here, and we can see here 1 of 1. That means it's a unique locator of this element. So let's go to the Visual Studio. So you can see here that I'm already written the scripts. So either you can directly use this function page.setInputFiles and provide this element. We want to set it, the files. We are using the multiple files. You can, I'm just uploaded here 2 files. If you want, you can upload more than 2 because it's a multiple files. You can upload single file you can upload the 1, and multiple file you can upload the more than 2. So this is the locator of the element, and this element I want to upload the file. So provide the file location. So this is the file location, and here I use the comma because I want to upload the file more than 1 file. So again I'm using here I'm just upload the another file. So here I have already provided the location of the file, and now it's closed. And this is the wait for timeout. So timeout means once this file will upload, it will show 5000 millisecond, and after that it will close the application. So very simple script here. First import the package, and here we are going to navigate on this application. After that, find the locator of this element, and you can check here in a search box that this locator is unique or not. Once you will find the correct locator of this file, now you can set the files. So you can set the multiple files. At the same time, it will upload the multiple files. So now after that, write the timeout that this application will open till this time, and after that it will close it. So let me execute this script and see the output. Let me first save, and after that in this terminal provide the command. So let me use the new terminal and provide the command npx playwright test in test folder. This is the file name. You can double check here your file name, and after that space hyphen headed and hyphen project equal to Chromium. I want to see in the Chromium browser, and now execute. So you can see here it's uploaded 2 files, upload multiple files. Here I have given the 2 file location. So it's uploaded the 2 files. And if you want to check your report, you can use this command in a terminal. Copy and paste it, and see it's open the report. If you want to check the report, you can use this, like double click, and if you want to see which browser it's executed, so you can see here clearly it's a Chromium browser. And all the steps is here. I don't know what's going on in my system today, but yeah, you can see navigate, sparse, everything you can see here. If you want to expand So one by one you can expand and see the test steps. And you can see here all test passed. Here failed is 0, fleck is 0, skipped is 0. So in this way you can upload the single file in a playwright or multiple files in a playwright. And after that I will show you in my next video that how we can remove the single file and multiple files in a playwright. So for the time being, you have to keep practice. If you have any question or queries, please ask me in the comment section. I will definitely respond you. And please subscribe my channel and like and hit the notification bell so you will get the latest video. So thank you so much for watching my video.